Welcome to the EmpowerUplan coaching journey, a guided path to reconnect with yourself, release emotional overload, and grow into choices that feel deeply aligned with who you are. Whether you're in a season of reset, reflection, or rebuilding, this coaching path is designed to move with you, one session at a time. Session 1. Reconnect with your inner compass. We begin here with breath, stillness, and space. This session helps you slow down the noise, tune into what's really going on inside, and get grounded in what you actually need right now. Session 2. Pattern mapping and emotional awareness. Here, we explore the deeper patterns, the emotional reflexes, the old stories, the autopilot responses. This is where awareness meets choice. Because when you understand what's shaping your reactions, you can start responding differently. Boundaries without guilt. In Session 3, we shift from people-pleasing and burnout to clear, kind boundaries. You'll learn how to communicate your needs without guilt, reactivity, or second-guessing. Session 4. Building your resilience tools. Now that you've cleared space, we begin filling your cup. This session gives you a real-world regulation toolkit, rituals, breath practices, grounding habits that support you in moments of stress or overwhelm. Session 5. Empowered decision-making. Finally, we bring it all together. This session helps you rebuild your decision-making muscle, but not from pressure or perfectionism, from values, from clarity, from a place that feels steady and true. Each session is a step forward, not toward doing more, but toward feeling more like yourself again. You don't have to rush. You just have to start. We'll walk together from here.